Hello again, and welcome to the Creativity Cabinet. Well, I discovered something watching my regular DIY YouTuber people that there's this kind of a new fad for something called Mackenzie Childs. And so I checked that out online. I just Googled it and found their website. And oh my God, I actually really love all the various home decor items and home decor pieces that I saw on that website. Boy, really great stuff, but also really, really super expensive stuff. So I decided to see if I could do some DIYs that are kind of in that style. And actually found it to be pretty easy because their style is actually kind of similar to my style. So let's get to making. So I made a second frame on off camera, and this is it. It looks like this. After making it, I regretted not filming it, the process of doing it. So I thought I would just come in here and tell you how I did some parts of this. See, this is another one of those target frames, and I used that same process of to make the check pattern. Only this time I did it with the gold Dollar Tree paint marker, and then I went over it with a little bit of yellow Posca pen, which you can kind of see there. And I ended up doing the insides white with a white Posca pen. And then this back part here is a napkin, which I actually have handy and can show you. I got these napkins at Walmart, and I thought that would really work great. I found this nice little greenery. It was something that I'd gotten at the Target dollar spot a while back. This was a sticker that I had. It's like a Jolee's Boutique sticker. I just had it in my stash. And this comes from a set of butterfly cutouts that I got at Dollar Tree. So basically I just put this into the frame, cut it size, put it in the frame, and then I basically hot glued these items in here. And then again, used one of those lovely borders that comes with those metallic Dollar Tree puffy stickers. And here's another one of those stickers down here. I colored this with my gold paint marker from Dollar Tree, and then on the edges I use my Amazon black and white check ribbon. So return you to our scheduled video.